So, welcome today. Something classic, something simple, actually kind of a request-ish shape. Someone asked me what I thought of the Palmolive Classic, and I thought, oh, why not use that? But for some reason, I simply cannot find my Palmolive Classic. I have no recollection of giving it away or hiding it somewhere. It's simply gone. So I have gone to a supermarket where I actually found it. So it's there, but I'm going to give it another go at trying to find the ones that's opened. Perhaps I'm just forgetting I've given it away or something like that, but we're going to be using this. This is the same thing, absolutely the same thing, same scent-ish. Only thing difference that this one's with menthol in it. Same properties. Scent is 99.90 same. The menthol changes it very slightly, but not a lot. I'm using now the green, and as many of you know, these are not going to be made for that much longer in Russia, but places like China and India and stuff like that. Brush is from Yaki. Going there, 26mm. Good backbone to this one. Not a hard backbone, not a strong backbone, but a high-end medium. Let's go. 26mm, if I didn't mention that. Razor, and there's a lovely 3D printed stand here. Whoops, that could have been catastrophic. Is the Parker, what is it, 60, oh, I've forgotten. I just used it, which is just embarrassing. It also shows this. This is the stand. 65, I believe. If not, I look in the description. If it's wrong, I've been listing it there. Alright, the toss is going to be the pre-shave. I'm just going to show you something. I've printed these small boxes here. It opens up like this. And they're used, excuse me, to store packs of blades. See through what it is, open it up, take them out. Quite handy. Makes it look a little less chaotic. Alright, so what are we going to do? I think we're going to, oh yeah, aftershave this beauty. Procter & Gamble version. Alright. Going to apply the pre-shave, and we're going to do a camera switch so that you actually see the longing process, see if that works. See you in a bit. Bye. So that was it. Almost everything has been picked up by my daughter, except the cream. So thank you, darling, for helping me out. She's actually joining us here today on the floor and making a drawing. Look at this. Beautiful. Peaked. Lots in the ball. Alright. Pre-shave has been put on. Kind of like a Barossa green texture. I have got a huge tin of this because this is inexpensive and good stuff. Nice menthol. Just a couple of days of growth. No shaving video midweek. Simply everything got in the way, basically. Work, life. But now we have the time, don't we? We're taking the time. Huge knot. Beautiful. I will say that mentholation wise, this is more than Barossa green. Also quality wise, I would also class this as better than the Barossa green. So and it costs less money too. Alright, Parker 65R, if I'm not remembering correctly. Very little overhang, perhaps you can see here. Slightly there. There you go. Let's go. First use with the Aster green. It's a good blade. It's a nice standard one for me. Go to. Never fails. And since there's not much, my last shave was Thursday, I think. Little quick 2-pass shave, really. And this is going to be the same 2 passes, simply because of the amount of stubble. How are you doing? Hope you're well, healthy. Almost went across against the grain there, or cross. Well, this is actually kind of a cross as well, due to its growth pattern. That's it. First pass. Really too much shaving cream for just 2 passes. We'll dip it under the cold water. Look at it. It works thin, it works pasty or thick, creamy, whatever you like to call it. This Palmolive is amazing. Right, second and final pass across. Slightly against here, just to get that BBS smoothness on the cheeks. This is above medium, high-end medium aggression. Very nice, this Parker. Beautifully constructed. Nice long handle. Beautiful. No missing. I'll do a face wash and I'll see you at the post shave. That was nice. Great. Alright. Witch hazel. That was sent to it. But mentholated. And the menthol takes away the sort of sausage water scent that pure menthol, pure witch hazel tend to have. So if you do not like it but you enjoy menthol, add some crystals. It'll take away that scent. Beautiful. Great. Right. And what will we use? Soap. Gorgeous. Palmolive Rinficante. Sort of the classic Palmolive with menthol, really. If I had to choose one soap, and I had to go like way budget, because if you could only get one soap for the rest of your days, this would be it. This or the Lieb one. Beautiful, and they perform great. Nice amount of menthol, more so than Paraso Green. Better performing also, in my opinion, than Paraso Green. Beautiful, beautiful scent as well. Sort of classic Palmolive scent. Ball, 8C ball. This is what's left. Lots of lather left, really. You didn't have to go back. And the brush, Yaki. I don't remember the name right now, but a beautiful one. I'll put it in the description, I think. Where is it? Come on. Is it this way? Yaki. Yes. Parker 65 on with the Aster Green first use, and the wax has been. There you go. Beautiful blade, beautiful razor. Daughter picked up everything, so thank you a lot for this wonderful experience. Stand here. Gorgeous. Alright, I think that was it. Basic, beautiful, inexpensive shave. Top it off with this. Also slightly mentholated as well, by myself. Bring something new to it. Gorgeous. Some good aftershave bits actually. Nice scent as well. It is Old Spice, but not the vintage. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. We're going to be reviewing some new stuff, or looking at some new stuff in the next few shaves. Stay happy, healthy, and remember to tell your loved ones that you love them. That's HG Shave signing off. Bye.